First, set the Medley XL to 400 degrees. After preheating, add oil to the Medley XL. Add the sausage and sear until golden brown on both sides. Then set it aside to rest for a moment. Next, add the onions, peppers, and garlic. And sauté for a few minutes. While the vegetables cook, cut the sausage links into 1-inch coins. Then return the sausage back to the skillet. Add the tomato sauce, oregano, chili flakes, and wine. Stir until all ingredients are well combined and the wine has reduced. To finish, add the lemon juice and garnish with parsley. The sausage and peppers are ready to serve.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.